A true gem in the heart of the city that has been delighting guests for nearly 3 decades. It is located just 5 minutes from the Las Vegas Strip. So welcome to India Palace. In this video, we're going to check out the interior, the food, and what makes this restaurant so special in Las Vegas. Let's begin. As we step inside, you are immediately greeted by the stunning results of a fresh renovation. The perfect blend of modern elegance and traditional Indian warmth creates an atmosphere that feels so fresh and timeless. Look at this! The newly renovated space masterfully combines sleek contemporary design with rich traditional elements. Soft, subtle lighting bathes the room in a golden glow, setting the perfect mood for intimate dinner date or special gathering or celebration. The modern lighting and tasteful decor makes every corner feel welcoming and inviting. Every detail has been thoughtfully updated to elevate your dining experience while preserving soul of this cherished restaurant. Very comfortable sitting, beautiful accents, and for all the alcohol enthusiasts, India Palace features a full bar ready to serve your favorite spirits. Pair them with your favorite signature dishes for a complete sensory journey. And you will be delighted to know that this iconic restaurant has welcomed countless famous faces all over the years, like from Bollywood superstars and politicians to legendary Punjabi artists like Gurdas Maan, Mika Singh, Pankaj Udas, and many more. It's the place where celebrities come to enjoy authentic flavors and unforgettable hospitality. And this wall of fame you cannot miss because it's right in the entrance. So whether you're entering or exiting, you will find your favorite celebrities' pictures on the wall. Now let's take a look at the menu. So whether you're a long-time local or someone discovering first time, India Palace Las Vegas promises an experience that honors its proud legacy while embracing a bright, beautiful new chapter. And come on, experience for yourself. So here I have ordered garlic naan, some traditional items like paneer tikka masala and malai kofta, dal makhni, which is my favorite menu. Every time I come here I order this, and for my guest I have some biryani. So check it out for yourself, and I hope you find this video helpful, and let me know in the comment box below how you like this restaurant, whether you have had the experience here before or you wanted to try it out. See you later. Bye bye.